Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Pavni Raj from SPCE Department of CSE So today in this section we are going to discuss about on a topic what is binary tree and a binary tree transversal and what is a graph and with the term of a graphs. Let us look over the introduction part. A binary tree is a hierarchical data structure in which each node has at most two children, where binary transversals refers to the process of visiting every node in the tree exactly once. Graphs are mathematical structures that represent relationships between pairs of an objects. And binary tree basics. In a binary tree, each node has a left child and a right child, or they can be an empty. The topmost node in a binary tree is called as the root node. The height of a binary tree is the maximum distance from the root node to the any leaf node. Types of binary tree transversal. In order transversal, visit the left subtree, then the root, and finally the right subtree. Pre-order transversal starts with the root, then visit the left subtree, and finally the right subtree. Post-order transversal visit the left and right subtrees before the root. Depth first search in graphs. Depth first search is an algorithm used to traverse and search through graphs. In depth first search, we explore as far as possible along each branch before bracketing. DFS can be implemented using a recursion or a stack in a data structure. And second is the breadth first search BFS in graphs. Breadth first search is another graph transversal algorithm that explores all the vertices at the present depth before moving to the next level, where BFS uses a queue data structure to keep track of vertices to visit. BFS is often used to find the shortest path in unweighted graphs. Directed and undirected graphs. In a directed graph, edges have a specific direction associated with them. In an undirected graph, edges do not have a direction and represent a bidirectional relationship. Directed graphs are commonly used to model relationships like web pages linking to each other. Complete graph. A complete graph is a graph in which each vertex is connected to every other vertex. That is, complete graph is an undirected graph where every pair of distinct vertices is connected by a unique edge. This is the complete graph definition. Cycles. A circuit that a circuit that doesn't repeat vertices is called a cycle. Path. A graph is said to be connected if any two of its vertices are joined by a path. Disconnected graph. A graph that is not connected is a disconnected graph. A disconnected graph is made up of connected subgraphs and that are called components. Subgraph. A vertices and edges of a graph that are subsets of another graph are known as a subgraph. After you learn about the many types of graphs in data structure, you will move into graph terminologies. Weighted graphs. In weighted graph, each edge has an associated weight or cost. Weighted graphs are used to model scenarios where the edges represent distances, costs, and other numerical values. Algorithms like primes are used to solve problems in weighted graphs. Directed acyclic graphs. Directed acyclic graphs are directed graphs that do not have any cycles. Direct acyclic graphs used in various applications like job scheduling and topological sorting. Where topological sorting is an ordering of vertices in a DAG such that for every directed edge UV, vertex U comes before V in the ordering. Conclusion. Binary trees and graphs are fundamental data structure in computer science. Understanding binary tree transversal and graph algorithms is essential for solving complex problems efficiently. Mastery of these concepts enables a programmers to design efficient algorithms and solve real-world problems efficiently. Thank you.